Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you thinking about working in Luxembourg in 2025? In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to obtain a work permit in Luxembourg step by step. So let's dive in. First things first, do you need a work permit? Well, that depends upon your nationality. EU, EEA, Swiss citizens don't need a work permit. They can work freely in Luxembourg, whereas non-EU citizens would require a work permit prior to work in Luxembourg. Now let's talk about the types of work permit in Luxembourg. First is salaried worker permit for non-EU employees with a valid job offer. Second is highly qualified worker EU blue card for professionals earning above a specific salary threshold. Third is independent worker permit for entrepreneurs and business owners. And the fourth is seasonal worker permit for temporary or short-term workers. Now, let's talk about the work permit process. The first step towards getting a work permit is getting a job offer. Before applying for a work permit, you must have a confirmed job offer from a Luxembourg-based employer. Your employer may need to prove that no EU candidate was available for the position. This is also known as conducting a labor market test. Now, the step 2 is to apply for a temporary authorization for stay. Once you have a job offer, you need to apply for temporary authorization to stay from the Immigration Directorate of Luxembourg's Ministry of Foreign and European Affairs. The required documents for the same are valid passport, job contract, proof of qualifications, and criminal record certificate, which is also known as PCC. Now the step 3 is applying for the long stay visa, which is also known as visa type D. After getting the temporary authorization, you must apply for a Type D visa at the nearest Luxembourg embassy or consulate in your home country. Now the step 4 is to enter Luxembourg and register. Once you receive your visa, you can travel to Luxembourg. Within 3 days of your arrival, you must declare your presence at your local municipality. Now the step 5 is medical examination and the residence permit application. You will need to undergo a medical check and then apply for a residence permit at the Immigration Directorate. Once approved, you will receive your work and residence permit, thereby allowing you to live and work legally in Luxembourg. Wondering about how long the process takes? Here's a quick breakdown. Temporary authorization to stay takes around 2 to 3 months. Visa processing could take up to 2 months. Residence permit processing could take up to 2 to 4 weeks. Application fee can range from 80 euros to 120 euros depending on the permit type. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips to increase your chances of success. Start early. Processing can take several months. Ensure your documents are translated into French, German, or English if required. Work with an employer familiar with hiring non-EU nationals. Keep track of your application status and follow up if needed. So folks, this brings us to the end of our brief and informative video. I hope now you've got a better understanding about the Luxembourg work permit process in 2025. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, comment and share the video. And for more information, log on to our website. We'll mention the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha signing off. Until next time.